Good day. I want to tell you a story, an inspirational story of how God uses my grandson to teach me about patience. Welcome on the stoop, where I discuss inspirational talks and witnessing about my life. My grandson was busy with his schoolwork, and at one stage he started to struggle and was sort of frustrated. He scratched out the work on his paper and started to write again. Then he scratched out, and then after a while he scratches the whole page, up and down scratches, and then tore out the paper, the page out of his book, and broke his pencil. But I want to interrupt myself here just to give you some context. My wife and I fostered our grandkids since 2017. They both were diagnosed on the autism spectrum, and we had to live with that. It's not an easy task, but it is God provide. So this boy, when he was doing his homework, just got overwhelmed and frustrated, and he went mad. But me tried to help him, also got anxious and also had this anxiety in me. And then because we both are anxious, and we started to have a big conflict between the two of us. And I must tell you, it isn't very good. I wasn't obedient, I wasn't merciful, and it isn't a good sign. But my wife entered the room and she said, "Calm down, take a break." And we walked out. And as I was walking in the garden, I was looking around and thinking about the whole situation. I realized that God has got so much patience for me. God loved me, and I'm disappointing him all the time. And that made me realize what my attitude must be. I must also be calm. I must be more God-like to my son. The old saying is, what would Jesus do? I must try to live that out. So I realized my grandson wasn't because he don't want to work or was obstinate or something, is he was frustrated with, he had received so many information that he doesn't know how to deal with it. He doesn't know how to put it all together. And then he became anxious and then frustrated and then break it up. So I realized, hey, this was happening to him. And it came to mind that in Galatians 5:22, mentioned that the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience. Patience. That's what I need. I must ask God to give me patience. And patience is not something that we have. It's a gift from God. We have more patience. So I went back to my grandson and I asked for forgiveness. And I told him, "Sorry, son, I messed up there. Come, let's try and work this problem out slowly, steady," and went through it. So we did that. And God doesn't always use big miracles and things to teach us lessons. He uses situations, like with my grandson. He taught me that. Just to conclude, God, thank you for using situations and grandchildren to teach us lessons. God bless. See you next time on my stoop, where we have more discussions. Bye-bye.